Good afternoon. Let's tune the miner to max hash for VISHAI on Ryzen CPUs. So I'm going to test CPU miner Opti, and let's see. This computer system draws 61 watts at the wall. It's an 8-core, 16-thread, 32 megabyte cache. Boost is 4.7, and this is a RYZEN7 5800X. Opti, when you open it up, you have subminers inside the folder for the different CPU instruction sets. And those you can find by using CPU-Z or CPU-X, depending on which program you have, and look up instructions. And down here at the bottom you can see it's got SMT, MMX, SSE, 1, 2, 3, 3S, 4.1, AVX. So all you do is just match these up to the programs in the miner. That way you can get optimum settings. So I'm going to test each one of these. I'll test the AVX all the way through, the Ryzen. That way we'll see which is better and see if the Ryzen is optimized or not. Okay, on my first test, I did the SSE2, which is when you're building the script, like on our plant, they have a shortcut to the miner config file. So that's the choices right here that you get. Here's your mining address, and this is just the name, and then it'll make this script file for you down here. And if you see the beginning, it starts off with SSE2. So what I did is I ran the miner like that, and here's a screenshot, and we got 1028.80 hash per second. Then the next test I ran, and that was the AVX, and I got 1022.87. Then let's go. Here's number 3. It only went up to 1002. Test number 4, which is for, this is supposed to be for Ryzen. This is actually using this one right here. I'll go back, and it only got up to 989 hash. And then test number 5, and it went up to 1020 hash. Test number 6, it only went to 995. Here's number 7. It only went to 102. So what I did is took the highest, which was the SSE2, and then I started messing with the thread count. All of these by default start off with the 16 threads. So then you can see here with the different thread counts, I was getting a different hash rate. And then when you go up a little bit more, about the same, a little bit more hash. Okay, this one, I decreased the amount of threads. And look at my hash rate. It went up. This is only using 7 threads. And then dropped it down to 5 threads. And look at that, 1512.54 hash per second. And then let's see, the max hash I got was, here's the startup script. I use administrative permission, which is sudo. It's the same as running it as administrator. And then I use the cp miner SSE2. And then here's my plant. Here's the test address and only 5 threads. And as you can see right here, it used 5 of 32 threads started. You go down, the first one, we're at 16, 17. And go down, it's still consistent. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shares found, accepted shares, and it's a hash rate of 1,617.66, and that was drawing 151 watts at the wall. So just by changing the thread count, we were able to increase over 600 hash, which is quite a big percentage more. If this video helped you and you gained some hash rate, please be kind and press that subscribe button. Thank you.